Cutting-edge cancer research is not just being completed in the largest cities in America. You can also find new advancements right in our own backyard.
The Sanford Cancer Center is leading the way with clinical trials that are giving patients access to early treatments. Parker Brown brings us that story tonight.
Watertown native Jeff Koehn knew something was wrong when he felt something odd last October.
I was shaven and I had a lump on my neck. I'm not one of those people that waits around to go to the doctor when it comes to something like that. If something's wrong, I go. So, I mean, I was still, shaven when I was on my phone with Sanford making an appointment on the app. And I got in, at like 10 o'clock that day.
After plenty of testing, there were early indications that the diagnosis might not be ideal.
Then they called me back and they're like, we want to see you tomorrow. So then I knew it was obviously really good news if they want to see me that fast, right?
Even before getting official word that he indeed had tonsil cancer that spread to his lymph nodes, they scheduled Koehn for surgery.
The cut right in the crease of my neck.
Being a fairly young cancer patient at 45, with a cancer that has a relatively high treatment success rate, and without a history of smoking, they enrolled him in what has been called the EVOLVE trial, a de-escalated radiation plan.
It's huge to be able to offer this. In this particular situation, we were able to offer a less intense radiation regimen for the patient, which ultimately leads to less long-term side effects, less side effects during treatment.
Options like clinical trials can give patients like Koehn a different option that might make beating cancer less grueling or more effective. To many patients, the research being done gives them a new lease on life.
When people think of a clinical trial, normally they're thinking about a new drug, right? We certainly have numerous trials where we're investigating new drugs, but this was a study where we're trying to say, we have a treatment that is effective, how do we use it in a better way?
In a handful of months that felt like an emotional roller coaster, Koehn was grateful that he was able to get the chance to treat his cancer in a way that allowed him to do what he loves: travel, go to plenty of concerts, and spend time with his family. Now he does so cancer-free.
Let's go. I actually went through an unrelated health scare 6 years ago. As far as the people that have a new lease on life and are thankful to be walking around, I was already there. I'm happy that it's over. I'm happy I can move on. I'm not going to make cancer part of my identity. It slowed me down for 6 months. Now I'm back. All right?
In Watertown, Parker Brown, Dakota News Now.